So it's your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And I have another slow sleek bun tutorial for you guys, but this one's a little different because I wrapped the kinky curly crochet hair around my bun just to give it a little bit more volume, you know, and get that look. So if you want to see how I did that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, so this is like my third video like this. I'm gonna show y'all all my same kinky curly hair because this matches my hair texture so well. Like once I add my products and get my wave pattern, you know, and everything, use Style Factor Edge Gel, you know. I'm gonna have all these products in the description box below because I use it basically the same types of products to slick back my hair. It just depends on what I actually have on hand at the time, but it's always going to be some gel, some edge control, and some mousse, and then like my texturizing hairspray that I use by Pantene, and then this same crochet hair it's by Freetress. I'm pretty sure this brand, this might not be Freetress brand, but it's basically the same texture. Okay, so this video is me taking my hair down from some soft locks and, you know, just not feeling like washing my hair. So, I mean, I'm going to have a little bit of residue on my hair, but I'm going to comb that out later. And so, basically what I'm doing is I'm using the Pantene Curl Awakening Spray just to add some moisture to my hair so I can detangle it because, you know, my hair has been in soft locks for 2 months. So, I still want to get, like, any extra hair or shedded hair I can out and detangle my hair before I put it in this low bun. So I am a sucker for a middle part. I'm a middle part girly. So I'm going to go ahead, since I'm detangling my hair, go ahead and try and like get my part how I'm going to want it to be later. Because I mean, might as well right now. So yeah, this is me combing out the little, I guess, buildup of edge control or whatever. Cause I really didn't use that much edge control because for that very reason, I don't like all that build up around your edges and just product. I don't like it. And so I try not to do my edges unless I'm really about to go out and just want to be cute. Cause otherwise, if I'm going to work or something, I really don't care. And so now we're about to get into, you know, slicking the hair back. And I always work in sections. I'm gonna go ahead and separate my little accent pieces. I just call them accent pieces. I really don't know what else to call them because I don't know, I just can't do a slick back without that on the side. I don't know, it just looks kind of plain to me because I'm not the type to always have my edges done. I kind of just did them on this hairstyle because I usually don't, like I usually won't do it, and then maybe I will do the little bit that's sticking out on the side like later, but yeah. So you saw I used the gel, and I can't really tell right now. I think I pretty much am, but either way, I like to reinforce the gel with the edge control. Sometimes it's like the shine jam that you use when you're braiding your hair. I mean, same difference for the most part. It's going to serve the same purpose that I need to slick my hair back. And so to me, and then for my type for hair, I just feel like, yeah, the gel is going to get it like that first little layer of reinforce or activating your curls and everything, but then for my hair in particular, that edge control is just what's going to help it slick and like stay. And then of course later I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to use mousse because after I tie it down with a scarf, the mousse just helps set it, in my opinion. And so as you can see, y'all, we definitely got hang time. And so I really just, like I said, I wanted to add the hair for extra volume. I really could have left it like this, but you know, I was finna wear this hairstyle for like a week at least, so you know, I just wanted it to be the cute little low, twist my hair up in a low bun look, but you know, I wanted volume anyways. And so yeah, I just wrapped this around my hair, twisted it and wrapped it. The only thing, I think it would have gave more of the look I was going for, which I later learned when I did my top knot bun. If I would have just like wrapped the hair around my bun, then making it skinnier at the bottom and like more fat at the end. But I did that with the top knot bun, and I didn't record it, of course, because I was rushing. But like, I'm definitely gonna like make a video because I'm wearing it right now actually as I'm doing this voiceover. I was like, this top knot bun turned out so perfect, and I've had it in for definitely over a week, and it still looks good for real. I'm trying to see how long I can rock it. And so I like using this Pantene texturizing spray because I also like the mousse. I feel like it just sets it. And normally I would use a board bristle brush, but I didn't have one at the time, so I just used this because I had this on hand. But I mean, it did okay, but I definitely think my board bristle brush would have did more of the job. And then of course, gonna tie it down with a scarf and just let it dry a little bit. It doesn't have to be completely dry when you take it out, but yeah, the scarf just helps, you know, slick it, give it that first, not that first slick because the gel's the first slick, but just helps set it a little bit more. You get what I'm saying. And I have found that in particular the Style Factor Edge Booster, and I just use the Kiss Edge Fixture because it works too, and I had it on here, and I more so want to save the other one for my actual edges. I like to use that on the accent pieces because I feel like it'll look straight right now, but I feel like it activates my curls but also keeps it elongated. So yeah, I like to use that on those pieces. Yeah, this is just a quick little video that it took me forever to finish editing, y'all. I've been so busy moving. I promise I'm going to get back right and get back more consistent. Just stay patient with me. I'm so thankful for all my new subscribers, my existing subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out some more videos.